you know,
Spices.
my spices in there. You have an outlet here. And then you guys might be wondering, like, how do I cook? Like, there's no cooktop.
How do you cook?
How do you cook?
I'm wondering.
Well, what a lot of manufacturers will do is if they don't have a built-in cooktop, they will have an external one where you can take out of the cabinet and plug it in. They did something so cool on this. So this right here is your cooktop.
Okay.
Okay, so what you do is you see that little hole there?
Uh-huh.
It can detect when there's an actual pan on there. And then this knob here controls it, so it won't actually turn on if it can't detect a pan. So, but you could turn it on and adjust how hot you want the eye to get. But this doesn't get hot.
It's the InvisaCook.
It's like an induction. It doesn't get hot, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself if you have kids in here. Like, they won't burn their hand on it. And it actually it won't even turn on if it doesn't detect a pan. So that's super cool. And it just really maximizes your, you know, kitchen prep space.